7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll take a look at the general crypto market. We have a green day in the markets today, and the whole market is pumping. That's a good sign to see. Bitcoin actually attempted to break through that $31,400 region. Look as if we are breaking out of the range. It's not yet time to get hyper bullish. The market is still in extreme fear. Guys, I'll be showing you some indicators flashing that the bottom might actually be in. We're looking at the US dollar currency index. We'll also be looking at the stablecoin dominance chart in the market. We'll be taking a look at other metrics that are showing us, is the bottom in? Should we be going all in, or should we chill to see whether there's further downsides? We're talking about that and more in this video. We'll also be looking at the top news stories in the crypto space. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, we have a green day in the markets today. Very good to see. A lot of these coins bounced, Bitcoin included, Ethereum. The market is actually green and people are getting bullish. That's good to see. We have been in the trenches for a very long time. It feels as if this time is different, but guys, let's be very careful. Let's be sure that Bitcoin is not actually faking us out. If there's anything we're sure that Bitcoin always does, is that Bitcoin always fakes people out. People think the bottom is in and boom, the dump is coming. So are we going to have a green month? It's good to start the month on a good note, good pump. We started the month with a nice pump. You can see that we're in the upper range of this band where Bitcoin has been stuck. And the only times that Bitcoin has come to this top of this range since when we've been stuck here was the 16th of May. And Bitcoin attempted to get there on the 31st of May. It was rejected. Right now we're back to that range. Will that range hold? Are we going to start pumping? A lot of these coins are still up on the day. They had a very nice day today. A lot of them were up 10, 20, 30, 40%. And the top gainers in the market, you can see that XEC is up 18%, HNT is up 16%, Cardano is up 13%, Theta Network is up 13%, LRC is up 13%. A lot of the coins are up double-digit gains in the last 24 hours. In the losers chart, we have Binance USD, we have Pax Gold, USDD. We have some news about that stablecoin. We're talking about that. You see, right now it's number 71 on coin market cap. That's actually impressive. That's a new stablecoin, Tron stablecoin. Guys, the US dollar currency index is actually turning on itself. That's what we want to see, and that's actually good news for us. Now it's taking a chill pill. Looks as if it's pumping. It's not yet time to celebrate. We actually want to confirm that the US dollar currency index is actually falling on itself right now, and we're seeing a nice pump on it, but it's still in a downtrend. If this pump doesn't sustain itself and it continues dumping, that will be good for the crypto market. We realize that anytime the US dollar currency index is pumping, it just looks as if crypto is dumping. And anytime the US dollar currency index is dumping, crypto is pumping. So fingers crossed. Stablecoin dominance too is actually dumping. That's a good sign to see. Maybe the pump that we're having in the markets attributed to that. It means a lot of people are getting very comfortable by entering the market. When people are scared in the market, they run to stable coins. And so if you track the stablecoin dominance in the market, you see that when the stablecoin dominance in the market actually peaks, that's actually when the bottom of the market is in. So is the bottom of the market in, or do we need one more push to the upside? One more final push to scare people away to think that, oh, we're going to go to Goblin Town, and then we'll finally start pumping. Only time we tell right now. Bitcoin is still making that decision, and we'll hope to get the answer from Bitcoin in the coming days. Guys, the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours is still relatively unchanged, and the global crypto market cap is at $1.29 trillion. That's a 5% increase in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 46%. You can currently get one Bitcoin for $31,400 US. You can get one Ethereum for $1,900. USDC and USDT stablecoin battles, they are still number 3 and number 4 respectively. Number 5 and number 6 we have BNB and other huge movers on the day. Other moved over 14% in the last 24 hours. Coming out number 7, there's XRP. Number 8, Binance USD. Number 9, Solana. At number 10 is Dogecoin. And those are the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. Guys, let's take a look at some news stories. Bitcoin price snaps its longest losing streak in history. 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Finally, guys, we had a green week. We talked about this a little yesterday. Bitcoin finally gave us a green week. If we go to Bitcoin on the weekly, we have been in this continuous motion of red candles, and it felt as if we'll continue having red candles. People are saying, oh, we have never had 6 consecutive red candles in history. Then we had 6, then we had 7, then we had 8, then we had 9, and it felt as if it was never going to end. But we're happy to see it's finally ended. You can see that this weekly candle closed here. It closed bullish, and now we have another weekly candle that is bullish. So we hope to see continuation for the bullish momentum. Guys, Algorithmic stablecoins unveils new ways to preserve its peg. Do you think we should go back to this story of us trying to have an algorithm stablecoin after the collapse of UST? We saw what happened to that, and that's not the first algorithm stablecoins to actually collapse. A bunch of them have collapsed before UST. Do you guys think this is actually a good way to go, or should we just stick to the normal collateralized stablecoins, the one that we know that they are backed 1-to-1 to the dollar? We have to make that decision as a crypto community very, very soon. We don't want to be seeing the form of UST crash happening over and over every cycles. And guys, Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing, and that's something I've been watching very closely for the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is increasing. That's not what you want to see if you're holding altcoins at this period in time. It means either the market is dumping and Bitcoin is dumping harder than the market, or the market will pump and Bitcoin is actually going to pump harder than the market first. Because I realize that when the market goes on extended period of time of dumps, Bitcoin actually leads the way first before the altcoins follow. The altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin to make that decision. So we're waiting on Bitcoin to make that decision in the coming days. Social media blamed for 1 billion in crypto spams losses in 2021. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, have you been a victim of crypto scam, and who do you blame? Do you blame social media, or do you just blame the bad actors in the crypto space? Yes, in every space there will always be people that are trying to cheat you. And so if you see anybody in the comment section saying how they made so much money on BTC, yada yada yada, I will not ask you for any money, and that person is actually trying to scam you for money. Nobody wants to give you free money, and that's the way to avoid scams, guys. USDD upgrades into the first over-collateralized decentralized stablecoin. I told you I had some news for USDD, these Tron stablecoins. This Tron stablecoin, we hope it actually will stay long. And we saw what happened to Terra stablecoin UST, actually crashed just over a month ago. We hope Tron stablecoin is going to stay. They say they are 200% currently collateralized ratio with a minimum guarantee of 130%. The only time we tell they can actually deliver on all the promises they are actually giving us right now. Guys, should you be getting some Bitcoin, or is the big dump actually coming? And this is a very, very interesting chart. I saw Bitcoin wallet sizes. That's wallet sizes that are holding more than 1 Bitcoin. Somebody was saying on Twitter, oh, we are getting into new all-time highs. That's a good thing. Wallets holding more than 1 Bitcoin are entering into new all-time highs. Guys, I realized that after the top of the market comes in, when the wallets holding greater than 1 Bitcoin start entering new all-time highs, start gearing up for the fall, it means a lot of people are comfortable that the price has bottomed out, or the price is getting cheap. The last time something like this happened was in September 2019. People thought, oh, the bottom is in, Bitcoin can't go any lower. What happened after that? Bitcoin dropped another 50%, and I can see that we're having almost the same sentiment right now. People are feeling as if the bottom is in. I included. I can actually lay out an argument to tell you the bottom is in, but only the time will tell whether I'm actually right, because it looks as if the Bitcoin wallet size is holding greater than 1 Bitcoin is entering a new all-time high again, and the top of the market came in already, and we can see in the previous that when the top of the market has come in already and the wallet sizes that are holding Bitcoin greater than 1 Bitcoin start entering new all-time highs, that's probably a warning sign that a crash is coming, and that's the warning sign. I think this chart is actually flashing. Only time will tell whether it's actually flashing the right warning sign. And guys, we all know that, or if you don't know, Bitcoin is always attracted to its 200-week moving average, and that's where the bottom of the market usually comes in. Right now, we are not actually at Bitcoin's 200-week moving average. For us to get there, Bitcoin has to drop around 22k. And that's why another reason why I think the bottom is not in for Bitcoin. So these two conflicting, these two charts are actually showing me that maybe there's still one more dump. But if Bitcoin pumps, I'll be happy, but guys, I'm just warning you guys, there may still be one more dump. We'll see what Bitcoin will do in the coming days. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think we're going to have a green week? Are we going to have a green month? Do you think the month will be good to us? Is this the bottom of the market? Is another bull run starting? Some people actually have the belief that we are starting another bull run. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.